their sail, mawawalan sila ng dapat labanan. So, do not deal with an enemy when very angry. Either the enemy is very angry or you are very angry. It's not the time to settle scores. It's not the time to deal with an enemy. It's not the time to answer a difficult question. Because angry people suffer from momentary craziness. Nakakaroon ng imbalance ang utak, and people become at least temporarily insane when they are very mad. At masisira ang lahat ng ating diskarte. Pag galit na galit ang tao, huwag niyong harapin. Pag galit na galit kayo, huwag kayong humarap. Magpalipas ng panahon. Ecclesiastes 7:9, do not be quickly provoked in your spirit, for anger resides in the lap of fools. Yan daw, nakakandong sa mga hangal